Okay, so I'm making this short video for Virtual Larry on Ananan Tech to show him how Windows Defender is automatically deleting certain .exe or application programs that it deems a threat. So, we're going to go here and we're going to click on Start, Settings, Update and Security, Windows Defender, open Windows Defender Security Center, and then we're going to click on the little virus and threat protection, and then of course go down to virus and threat protection settings. And we're going to scroll down. As you can see here now on my computer, controlled folder access is off. It's disabled. And we're going to scroll down a little bit more, and underneath that we're going to see exclusions, which you guys are calling the whitelist. So if we click on add or remove exclusions, you'll see that I have no exclusions added here. We'll click back, and you can see that controlled folder access is still disabled. So we're going to close this out. We're going to click on the File Explorer down here, and we're going to click on my D drive. We're going to go to Downloads, Complete. We're going to click on DVD Fab 10, and then we're going to click on the Crack folder. And in here you'll see there is an application called patch.exe. So we're going to go ahead and double click on that. And up pops a warning by what I'm assuming is Windows Defender, telling me that the operation could not complete because the file contains a virus or potentially unwanted software. So we're going to let that do its thing. And then you can see here immediately that the patch.exe application has been removed. So we'll click on OK. It still continues to say working on it. I'm not sure what it's working on, if it's scanning the D drive or other drives for the same application, but we're going to go ahead and close this out. Then we're going to go back to Start, Settings, Update and Security, Windows Defender. Again, we're going to open the Windows Defender Security Center, and again, click on Virus and Threat Protection. And then again on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. If Windows 10 is one thing, it is redundant. So once we click on that, we're going to scroll down, and again, as you can see, controlled folder access is still disabled. And then we're this time going to click on add or remove exclusions, and this time we're going to add an exclusion, and we're going to add a file type. In the extension, we're going to enter .exe as the extension, and we're going to add. Alright, we're going to click back again, so you can see that controlled folder access is still off, and then we're going to close that out. So because Windows Defender deleted that patch.exe application without my permission, because the controlled folder access was disabled, I did make a backup copy here on my F drive under DVD Fab 10, under Crack, and you can see there again is the patch.exe. So what we're going to do is right click, of course, copy, then we're going to jump over here again to the D drive, into Downloads, Complete, DVD Fab again. There's the Crack folder. As you can see, it's empty because Windows Defender deleted it without my permission. We're going to right click again here, and we're going to paste. Okay, so I'm going to double click on patch.exe, and the music is going to be really, really loud. So I apologize for that. But the important part to remember is that this time, since I've added .exe extensions, to the exclusions list, it will run. So, here we go. Now I went ahead and just clicked exit because I've already applied the patch, and it did work successfully. And that was not the main point of this video anyway, to show whether or not the patch.exe would run. The point of this video is to show that even though Windows Defender folder protection is off, that it doesn't matter. Any application or program that it deems a threat will be automatically deleted unless you add it to the exclusions list. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and close that out, and this concludes the short video that BB Haig made for Virtual Larry via the thread on AnandTech.